Alright, this is Brandon from Accessory Global, and today we're looking at a set of the Audeze Maxwell 2s, and we're going to do a headband installation. Okay, so for this headband installation, first things first is the Audeze Maxwell 1 had screws that you had to screw in through. You'd put the screw through the little holes here, and then you'd screw them into the plastic frame of the headband, or metal frame of the headband down here. And it was a little bit annoying. So what they've gone and they've done is they've made a good improvement, is they've basically just put these little posts into the plastic or into the headphones, and they're permanent, they don't come off, and what you do is you just stretch the hole of the headband over the top of the post, or whatever you want to call it, metal right here. You can see that little cap right there. Alright, you can see that the headband is now in place, and the two little posts here have gone through the leather holes, or I don't know if it's leather, the original headband. But to get it off is very simple. The easiest way to do it is just grab the headband from the top like this. Get my hand out of the way. Grab the headband from the top like this, and you're just going to pull over like that, and then like that, and then come off. Now when you're installing a headband, this is the original headband that came off my Audeze Maxwell 2s. The second row of holes is the holes that was originally set on the headband for the headphones. So these have already been stretched out. So if you are replacing your original headband, it's going to be harder to put the new headband on because the holes have not been stretched out. So you need to actually do that. Now, if you've got an original Audeze headband that you've bought to replace the first one, the material this is made out of, it feels like a PU leather or some type of, not plastic, but it's quite nice, but it's not leather, because it's quite easy to manipulate and easy to put over these screws. If you buy a sheepskin, well, not a sheepskin, but if you buy a leather cowhide style headband like what we offer, this material is a little bit harder. It doesn't stretch as easy. It's a bit tougher, so you have to work it a little bit more. Now, what you can do is you can just try and stretch the headband over and see how it goes. And if that doesn't work, what you can do is just, if you have a screwdriver, you can just put it into the hole and just basically go around like that a few times to make it wider before you try to install it. So after you've done that, you should be able to install it if you haven't already been able to. So I'm going to go with the second level of holes right there as to the installation. And what I found to be the easiest way is to set them up like this, and what you're going to do is you're going to go from the bottom. So you're going to use your thumbs, you're going to push the leather, or whatever the material is this headband's made out of, push it into these screws so you see the metal heads coming through the holes, and then you're going to use one thumb to hold it down and take your fingers and pull the other one over. Pull that side over permanently. And then you go to the other side, do the same thing, push into the bottom, and then use your hand to pull that material over and onto the plate, onto the metal top. Right, and now do the same thing here. Just going to push into the bottom, pull it over, push into the bottom, and pull that one over. And there you go. That is on.